Joe, we're going to be very busy today.
I can help.
Hey, I can help too.
No, I'm not sure. You're taking the order. Joe.
Sorry.
I made the coffees now, and they will help with the milk.
What can I do to help?
You can take the orders today.
Good.
He's silly.
Yeah, he's very silly. Look at the mess we have to
look.
clean up after his mess.
Hello, can I have your order, please?
A cappuccino.
A cabbage coffee. Hello, can I have your order, please?
Decat.
A decat. No problem, we'll have one of them for you.
Let's clean up now.
Yeah. Joe make a mess.
Yeah, Joe makes very messy.
Oh, hello, sir.
Hello, I've been waiting for you.
Why, do I know you?
No, I don't think so. I just want to order a coffee.
Oh, yes. What would you like?
An Americano, please.
Cork a cano.
And I will have a slice of drizzle cake. Excuse me, I will have... Excuse me, I will have a slice... I never.
I've been very busy. A cabbage coffee, cork ano.
No.
Yes.
No.
We have to serve real coffee today.
No, I'll make them. I'll get over. I'll come over and I'll make them.
No,
I'll make them.
Joe, listen to me. These will take the orders. You help me with the milk.
Okay. Good luck out there. Okay, John, how can I help?
Joe, today we're gonna froth some milk. We get the jug with the milk, then we put it in. And that is your frothy milk. You pour in the milk like this.
You pour the milk?
Let's love sign. Pour. Pour. You sign. Pour. Good. Pour.
Joe, I'm taking the orders with Nathan. Will you froth the milk, please?
Yes.
Be careful.
Okay.
Hello, kind sir.
Hello, sir. I would like a cappuccino, please.
What did you want to order?
Could I just get a latte, please? Thank
A
you.
latte.
Thank you.
Ugh.
Joe, what are you doing?
Look, all these coffees, and we only have one frother.
Joe,
Joe,
relax.
relax.
Oh, excuse me, John. Oh.
What the?
Frother! Can we make coffee now?
Yes.
Good.
Yes.
The holder here to grind the beans. Then you put it in tightly, and then coffee here will pour out. And you
I
put
will.
it hot.
Hot.
Joe, people can drink the coffee now.
Great.
Drink the coffee.
Let's love sign. Drink. Drink. You sign. Drink. Good. Drink.
Go to this table first.
That's also a milk.
Have a nice day and thank you for coming to the cafe.
Bye.
Well, I've had a great day, but now it's time to go.
Come here. Come here.
That's a great idea. Will you help me with one more delivery?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Bye, John. Thank you.
Bye, Joe.
Bye.
Bye. Bye-bye.